I'm Miss Sue, and today we're going to read Splish, Splash, Ducky. Who knows what this is called? That's right, it's the back of the book. And this is called the front of the book. Let's think about what the story may be about. Look at the pictures on the front. What animals do you see? We see a duck, and a snail, and a fish. So let's find out. Hello, I'm Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Oh, goody, hooray, it's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop, I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. What is that? Is that frog hopping? Can you hop like a frog? I like to squirm with wriggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. Can you wiggle like a worm and squirm around? A hug for bug and a hug for slug. Where's the slug? Oh, the duck is hugging slug and bug. Can you hug someone near you? In the pond to play with swans. Quack, quack, quack. There's the mom swan and the two babies. Splash, splish, I swim with fish. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Quack, quack, quack. There goes the duck. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, plip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Can you point to your tummy? Where's your tummy? Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. What squeaks? What is that? It's a mouse. Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drop. No more quacking, I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky, here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. Let's count those butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 butterflies flying high. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. Thanks for joining me today.